Dude, see that chick? I could tell. She totally wanted me to give it to her.
Give her what? Personal space?
You could learn a thing or two from the Keithster.
Like I'd ever take dating advice from a guy like you.
Oh, I can tell you never listened to my advice, and that's why you got dumped. Yep. That's why you got stripped to prom, why you got fired from that shitty-ass sandwich shop, how you got that ST-ass burn on your arm.
You literally pointed a bottle rocket at me.
I didn't know it was gonna hit you. Dude, I'm starving.
That sucks. Maybe you should get some food for yourself then.
You know that I'm broke.
Guess we'll just have to wait for the party tonight.
They always get the shittiest pizza in town.
Dude, beggars can't be choosers. Besides, I'm sure there'll be plenty of women for you to strike out with there too.
Is that a challenge? I'll have you know, when I turn on the charm, the ladies can't resist.
Well, what about her?
No way, dude. She totally has a boyfriend. It's written all over her face.
Her?
Saw her picking her nose earlier. Finger was like halfway in there, just wiggling around as like an excavator. Not having that.
Just go talk to them already.
Yeah, fine. Yeah. Get your hand off me. Excuse me. Hey.
Did you need something?
Are those maps? Because I'm getting lost in your eyes. I'm getting lost.
Sorry about that. What my friend meant to ask was, what are those posters for?
Wow, that is such a unique tattoo.
It's actually not a tattoo.
Really? What's your name? Are you new here? I haven't seen you around campus and I probably would have remembered if I did.
Have you seen me around campus?
No. Anyways, the flyers are for an event I'm hosting tomorrow. You should come.
I don't know.
Oh, we'll be there. We'll be there.
Great! My name is Serena, by the way.
I'm Keith, and this is Charlie.
Charlie.
But I'm Keith.
Oh, shit. My bad.
Are you fucking serious, dude? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean that. I'm sorry. I really didn't mean that. It was really rude of me and
Looks like this two-way's becoming a three-way. Guess it's just back to a two-way.
Mm-hmm.
So, you got any digits?
Maybe I would have, if your foot didn't go flying into your mouth every time you opened it.
Hey man, I did you a service. Now you're free to go to that Hot Chicks event. Perfect rebound.
Yeah, no. That sounds pretty fucking lame. Let's just stay in, rent Mandy, and eat an unhealthy amount of popcorn.
Are you some kind of idiot?
Just because I don't want to sit in a circle playing patty cake.
Trust me, man. It's gonna be way better than the patty cake.
I'm so glad you came. Come sit down with me. I'll show you what we're up to.
Hey, guys, I think Keith needs a spot to sit too.
No, you guys don't worry about me. Take your time. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about old Keith. Yep, I'm fine.
All right, does everyone have all their supplies? We don't want to be caught off guard in the event of the big one. Quiet! I don't think you all are taking this as seriously as you should be. Earthquakes can topple over entire buildings, and we're gonna need these kids to survive.
So, why exactly are we making these?
Are you deaf? Earthquakes.
Well, I know that. It's just that we live in Kansas. If it was a tornado prep kit or an angry farmers with pitchforks prep kit, that would make sense.
What part of making earthquake kits doesn't sound fun to you?
You don't have to be here. All right, if we're all finished sharing our opinion about earthquakes, we still have a lot of kits to put together. Everyone, grab your supplies and get to work.
So, is this like a club or something?
Yeah, something like that. You know, you look so good with your hair pushed back like this.
You too.
You're so funny. Have you been to the new bistro on campus? We're all going tomorrow morning, and I'd love it if you came.
Yeah, sure. I don't think me and Keith have any plans tomorrow.
Maybe this time Keith shouldn't come along with us. I don't even think he likes us.
What are you talking about? Of course he likes all of you.
No, I haven't actually opened one, but I'm pretty sure Bibles aren't supposed to be wrapped in the dried skin of dead stray dogs. That's just wrong.
Can I read your palm?
Yeah, sure.
Wow. This one says you're a natural born leader.
You can tell all that just through some hand wrinkles.
Yeah, the palm lines.
Do you see anything else?
This one says that you're destined for greatness.
I'm telling you, Children of Ashes is a stupid name for a religion.
Well, I think Keith is a stupid name for a person.
Can't you just go 2 minutes without offending everyone in a room?
I just calls it like I sees it, and these guys are weird.
Didn't you hear me the first time? You don't have to be here.
Well, we didn't want to be here anyway. Come on, Charlie.
I don't know. It's kind of fun here.
What about all this is fun to you?
I'm not sure what to tell you, man.
Well, guess I'll be dining alone tonight. Quinoa. Charlie, you should have told me if you weren't coming back to the dorm last night. You missed our daily wine and cheese hour.
Sorry. I just lost track of time and crashed at Sean's place.
Oh, and I suppose your phone died too, and that's why I wasn't invited to breakfast.
You expected us to invite you back after how you acted yesterday?
I'm gonna need you to stop right there. This is a conversation between bros.
You said some pretty rude things yesterday, and I think you should apologize.
The only one here who deserves an apology is me for being ditched for these weirdos.
You don't even know anything about them.
Oh, I don't know anything about them. Have you even seen this?
What about it?
Well, first of all, I don't think most religions worship a giant fucking bird.
Comments like that are exactly why you weren't invited here in the first place.
Shut up, you psycho bitch!
Dude, don't talk to her like that.
She's just a rebound, remember?
You were the one who said that, not me.
You know what? Let's just forget this whole thing. Go back to our dorm and play some video games. What do you say?
I'm tired of doing the same thing every single day. I'm allowed to have other friends.
I never said you couldn't have other friends.
Then why are you even here arguing with me about them in the first place?
Because all you can do is think with your dick.
We're leaving.
Get out of here. Go get fucked by a giant bird.
If you ever insult the Avon again by calling it a giant bird, you have bigger things to worry about than things like friends.
bird fuckers!
Hey, tonight we're having a sort of get together. Would you like to come?
I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Those freaks never leave a tip.
So I'm not like the only one who thinks those guys are off, right?
I heard somebody literally died in their last meeting.
Holy shit, how?
Something about a fire? I don't know. The university kept all the details pretty under wraps. But it had to have been pretty bad because the club got shut down really quickly after that.
What was it for?
I'm not positive, but my roommate said that she got an invitation to go to one of their clubs and all they would talk about was weird stuff like the apocalypse.
Sounds like the kind of people who would make earthquake kits in Kansas. Does this look familiar to you?
Yeah, that's what they were called.
Thanks, gorgeous.
So, what's everybody setting up for?
Oh, a party to celebrate you joining us. You shouldn't let him get in the way of your big moment.
My. What?
Drink?
And it's like, he doesn't even realize he sounds like something out of a bad 90s sitcom.
Come with me.
Are we gonna do it?
Yeah, real soon. So get ready.
So is there like a room we could go into?
Where's the fun if no one's around to see it happen?
Oh, at least there will be blankets.
Blankets? You sound drunk.
Charlie! I've come to save you, Charlie! Charlie!
Honestly, I'm kind of nervous. It's been a while since the last time I've done this.
Charlie, what did they do with you, Charlie? My dude, where are you? What did you do with him, you bird fuckers? Charlie?
We finally found our savior.